Hi guys, my name is Renita and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be shooting a video.
Go now. Hi.
Okay. So today we'll be shooting a video wherein I'll be doing Alice's makeup. This is my sister, by the way.
Hi.
Wherein I'll be turning her from this nerdy person to a glamorous babe. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
So let's get started.
Let's go.
First things first, get rid of those glasses.
No, my glasses.
So I already told Alice to prep her skin using moisturizer, and now I'll be applying primer on her face. Master Prime, Mattifying primer, which is for oily skin, but Alice has a combination skin and her T-zone is really oily. So I'll be using this. Now we'll be applying some foundation on her face. Alice uses this Coloressence foundation, premium foundation. The shade Gold. Easy.
It smells really nice. Don't think of that.
I wish I could do that.
Help me.
Yes.
Help me.
No, don't worry. Come on, कितने बार तो makeup करा है मेरे से?
Yeah, actually Annie used to do my makeup when I was a kid, and even still now
Still started, like,
yeah,
that
even now
makeup.
so she does my makeup. Whenever I don't get the eyeshadow or something, she just helps me out.
I just love makeup.
So stop Annie.
I'm doing makeup, Alice.
Oh god.
So hot, yaar.
Okay, that's scary. Help me.
It's not hot or what? You're not feeling hot?
No. Because you're having 10 kgs of makeup.
It's not 10 kgs, look. It's... I'm going to be applying on your face 10 kgs of makeup. Wait.
Help me.
The foundation just...
Oh.
What the hell?
It's not seen though, it's okay.
So I'll be using a beauty blender on her face. Blend it out. I'm using a damp one because the sunscreen, sorry, the foundation is too thick.
Sunscreen.com.
I said foundation.
Oh. No, calm down. So Annie, can I ask you something?
Yeah, whatever. Just don't ask something stupid, please.
From what? Let me ask. From what age have you started doing makeup? Is it like a Q&A? Because I never knew this. Yeah, because I never knew this, so I'm just asking so that even some of your followers may know.
I don't know actually. I think since 11th.
11th grade?
No. Before that.
Before that only, right?
Yeah, during school only. I think 7th.
Because I myself started from school.
7th, 8th, yeah. I think my mom, like our mom, my mom.
Okay. So
Our mom.
apparently, she just told our mom is my mom, so.
Okay, our mom.
Thank you.
So our mom used to do makeup for us, no?
Yeah, when we were kids, yeah, till
Yeah.
when we did not know
So
anything about it.
during school annual days, that's when you had to do your own makeup. Like, I
And
think
then we used to look like clowns.
I think it was during 6th standard, and I turned myself into a purple doll. Like my whole face was purple, literally purple. I had to take out the whole makeup and
I
then
still
redo it.
remember when I did my makeup and I was looking like a clown. I'll tell you what happened. I put the blush like full, it looked like circle, and Annie had to come and she made it proper. Otherwise, I would have looked like a clown on the stage, and I was like, okay. I legit cried over there because I was looking like a
Annie, bachano.
Stop!
That's what you did.
Okay, enough.
I'm going to be using this one. It's really clean.
A little matte also.
It'll dry up and become matte.
Yeah.
It's not that creamy though because it's not spreading quite well, but
We'll make it work.
yeah. I've applied concealer with the brush, but I need to blend it, so I'm going to be using the beauty blender again. Blend it out evenly. Now I'll be doing some contour for using this shade. as is not that evident, so I'll be using a powdered contour palette. Okay. Yeah, it's in a very bad condition because I've used it so much. This shade I'm using. My favorite Chambor brush. Oh yeah. Can you see the difference? Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna set her face using Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Poreless powder. Okay, compact face.
In the shade 320.
Yep. For her brows, I'm going to be using this palette. It's from Maybelline again. Brow Drama Pro Palette. So I'll be using this pencil from Wet n Wild brow pencil. We're done with her eyebrows and now we're going to go with the eyeshadow for her. I'll be using this shade. Okay. Now I'm going to blend it out using another brush. Okay. Just gonna... I'm going to use this brown shade to darken the crease. Okay. And blend it out. Now I'm gonna apply this lighter shade in the middle of her eyelid, just to add variation. Blend it out. So I'm done with both the eyelids. So I'm just gonna use an eyeliner now to define her eyes. This is Lakme Absolute in the shade Black eyeliner. And then I'm gonna work my way in. Okay. I'm done with her eyeliner. Now I'll be applying mascara. I use Maybelline's Colossal Waterproof Mascara, so I'll be applying that. And now I'm gonna apply some kajal at the waterline. But I'm just gonna apply at the ends. I'm not gonna fill it fully. So for some fun, I'm gonna use this eyeliner, liquid eyeliner from Claire's. It's in the it's in the silver shade. I've applied the liner on both the ends. Now I'm gonna put some blush. I'm gonna be using this shade. Apply some on my nose. I guess. So I'll be using two highlighters. One is this one, which has a pink tone to it, pink and silver tone to it. So can you see it? Yeah. Ooh. I'll do the same using the golden highlighter which I have from Maybelline, Master Chrome by Face Studio. It's a metallic highlighter. It's in the shade gold. I love this highlighter, it's just magic. So I'm done with the highlighter. Ooh, okay, thick time now. So I have habit of mixing shades. I never stick to one shade. It's just don't do that. So I'm going to be applying this shade first from Chambor. The shade name is Saddle Brown and the shade number is 116. Then I'll mix it with this red shade that I have from PS. I'm gonna set her makeup using this like this.
A setting spray.
A setting spray. So here's the finished look, and what do you think about it, Alice?
I like this look very much, especially the lipstick, because the different shades make it look super cool. It goes proper.
Okay, cool. We also did film another video for Alice's channel, and it's already out, so go check it out. Also, do subscribe to the channel and go to Alice's channel and also subscribe, please. And like the video, and do share it with your friends if you like it. And that's it, I guess, for this video. Bye.
Bye.